Hi, it's Pete with Vans and Campers. I want to show you our Sprinter setup and the LiTime battery package, solar charger and inverter. We can start right here with the 60A MPPT controller, solar charge controller. We got 350 watt solar panels on the roof, and we can add a mobile solar panel on the side. It's in working condition, and you can see in the display how it works. Think of the MPPT as a smart funnel. It takes the fluctuating power from the 350W solar panels on the roof and converts it efficiently to charge our 12 volts battery bank. It ensures we don't waste any sunlight. Next little thing is the 3000 watt LiTime inverter. We use this 3000 watt inverter for the heavy appliances, and notice the wiring. We use very thick short cables to make sure it handles the load safely. We got the LiTime 230 amp plus battery bank, 2 of them. Then we have the battery charge controller, fuses, main power switch, and the battery charger right here in the corner. So we can charge while driving. So the logic behind this setup is simple. Wired these to 230Ah batteries in parallel to keep the system at 12 volts. Alright, we choose the battery system with the low temperature protection because we installed the system in a van, and even if we live in Arizona, it's getting cold here in the winter time, and we want to make sure we can charge the batteries even on low temperature because the sun is always up here in Arizona. And our system is powering up our AC. What you can see right here in the ceiling, it's a 12 volt Dometic AC system. It's heating up and powering our water heater. It's powering our Klesana toilet, a waterless toilet, and the inverter system is powered up, and our induction stove and ventilation, and of course lights and charging computers and laptops, etc., phones. Here we have the battery charge controller. In the display you can see the amps, 100%, we are fully charged and ready to go. And the inverter controller, remote control, you can see the usage. Talk about the battery decision. Back then we had a smaller van with a lead acid battery and a smaller solar setup. Right now with the new setup we are way more happier. We can run the AC, we can cook with electricity, we can charge all our units and phone and computer and still be on the road, charged by solar. LiTime price ratio performance is perfect for our setup. If you are planning your own DIY build, here is my advice. Do your math before you order. Calculate exactly how much power you need and then add a safety buffer on top. So the process was pretty easy, shipping pretty quick. And installation with help and guides pretty straightforward. Vans and Camper gives thumbs up to LiTime.